Hey, what's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make AI videos in 2025 with just one click. Now, these videos you can post on places like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and more. And the best part is this is all done for you. You don't have to go and do any of the editing. You don't have to add any of the captions, and you don't have to generate the images. The tool that I'm going to be showing you today does all of this for you with just one click. And the best part is these videos generate leads and they generate sales. I'm going to even give you at the end of this video stuff that you can sell. And if you want me to keep you updated, by the way, about all the stuff that I'm doing around AI, make sure to respond with the word yes in the comments right now. And it lets me know to keep you updated. And it also helps me reach more people. Now, I also want to mention real quick in the description below is the digitalplaybook.com. If you go to the digitalplaybook.com right here, you'll be able to get access to this checklist right here that not only shows you how I'm creating content and making money online, but it also has the short form prompts that I'm using for my short form content. It gives you the list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote, a list of already done for you short form videos that you're able to post on your different social media platforms, make.com blueprints of scenarios that allows you to create content, video backgrounds, and a YouTube scraping system. And then also just some extra resources of just some Google documents and then some Fiverr gigs that I've used in the past. So let's go ahead and talk about how we're actually making these videos and posting them and how we're getting leads and making sales with these videos. So just go to the link in the description where it says Faceless AI Videos, and it will take you to this screen right here where this is Blotato. This allows you to create viral posts and faceless videos all in one solution to create, remix, and distribute 50 plus pieces of content per week to build your brand and or faceless channels. Now, you can start this for free. Log in. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to take you back to this screen. So over here, there is a couple different things where there is a remix, inspiration, prompts, sources, published posts, and videos. I'm going to be talking about videos, but I just want to briefly talk about these two up here. So I use this mainly for the videos, but you're able to use this for creating content for Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and it's like I said, it is the AI content engine. So right here is just giving you some inspiration on what other people are using, creating, gives you different different prompts that you can use. You're able to use all these different filters. These are the different prompts. Listicles, Wisdom, Facebook, Hormozy. But the most important, the one we're all here for, is creating short form videos. Now, previously, I've talked about how we got to take some short form videos, take them into CapCut, put them together, add captions, add music, but this eliminates pretty much 90% of all that. So let's just say you are creating a faceless channel over race cars. We're going to hit generate script. The story topic, kids story about race cars. The style, business. We'll just go with fun facts, I guess. You're even able to put what type of hook you want. You're able to do the call to action. I just leave those blank. A lot of the times I use my own prompts for when I'm creating these short form videos, but I know everyone has different use cases. So we're just going to go right here. 30 seconds is more than enough for short form. So we'll just go like that. And it creates a little script. Now we're able to choose these themes. Now these themes I love the themes, honestly. There's so many different niches and different ways that we can go. We're going to go ahead and do a fantasy for the race cars. Actually, we're going to go dystopian because I see a motorcycle. Let's go with Eric for the voice. I normally keep these the same. There's no you can change them if you want, but I found good results by keeping them like that. We're going to enable the voiceover, disable the watermark, and enable the captions. And we are going to keep the captions at the bottom. Now you are able to use this for free, but you only get a certain amount of credits. This is a credit system. I've had this for not a month yet, almost a month, and I'm on the $30 a month plan, and I'm still using the same credits. So you get enough credits for being able to create your short form content. So as you can see, what's going on right now is it was generating different shots. So each one of these shots are going to be a different image, and we can see right here that it gives a really detailed text to image prompt, which would take a little bit more time if we were doing it the manual way by going into ChatGPT and telling it to create us each prompt. So this is where the credits come in. We're able to animate the clip, video clip, but when you do that, it does cost more credits. So I'm just going to keep it with the cheapest one right now, since I'm doing this more for demo purposes. So let's go ahead and hit generate. You can see right here, it gives us the estimated time that's left. But I'm going to go ahead and cut back to when it is completed. So it is completed. Now we're going to hit export, and then it's going to turn this into a video. And let's go ahead and cut back to when it's done. All right, the video is completed. Now let's go ahead and just watch it. You can just see just from the first screen how detailed this is.
Have you ever dreamt of racing a car? Picture zooming past with the wind on your face? Race cars can go from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds. Did you know the fastest ones reach over 300 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. If you love speed, go grab your favorite toy car and start your own race.
So that's really good. And just real quick, so obviously that's not, I've seen better like AI generated images, but the whole point is we're able to I made this video in like 3 minutes, and the whole point is just, I'll say this: volume negates luck. So we're making these videos to generate traffic, so we can bring people in to maybe even sell them on Blotato, or maybe you want to do a social media manager where you're building or creating content for other businesses. So yeah, you've seen better videos, but this allows you to create volume, and pump this out. One thing I just noticed right here is this didn't used to be here. So this was probably added in the update. So let's click this and see what happens. Awesome. So this takes us into where it can create a TikTok post, an Instagram post. So you can use ChatGPT. Awesome. So you're able to do a bunch of stuff. And one thing that I've seen right here, so what's Blotato doing is it's doing a cash prize giveaway in the month of February to whoever can get the most views using Blotato. So go ahead and get this, start using that, because you could potentially win $5,000. It's actually I think first place is 2,000. No, first place is 3,000. Second place, I don't know, but let's just learn more together, because I read it in the email. Okay, first place is 2,000. Second place is 1,000. $10 for the runner-up. These are the rules. Go ahead and get in it. Obviously, I'm going to be doing it because I'm making videos right now. But what you would do is then download these videos, post them on your social media platforms, get views. Also, the thing is that views are good, but you want to be able to build an audience. I hope this tool helps you guys. It's definitely helped me. If you want to see a more in-depth video about how I'm actually making money with this in my own company, go ahead and watch some of the other videos on my channel, because they are really in-depth. Or just go ahead and join the digital playbook, because not only do you have access to me to ask me questions, someone's taking action in here, love it, but also all these tutorials are going to help you get started. So that is it for this video, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.